In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan your week using Grok AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank week to a clear, structured plan you can follow with confidence, all inside Grok's chat interface. First, open Grok AI. You can do this by going to the official website in your browser or launching the Grok AI app on your device. Give it a second to load, and if you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that. It helps to have your calendar and any to-do lists nearby so you can pull in accurate dates, times, and deadlines. Next, open the chat interface. This is where all the planning happens. If you're not sure where to get Grok, look for the official website and the download link for the app right at the top of the video description. Use those links to make sure you're in the right place. Now, provide your weekly tasks and goals. In the message box, type out everything you want to accomplish this week. Meetings, appointments, deadlines, errands, workouts, study sessions, and even personal goals. Be as specific as you can. Include due dates, time ranges, locations, and any preferences like mornings only or no meetings after 4 p.m. If a task is big, break it into smaller steps so Grok can schedule them across the week. Avoid pasting any sensitive information. Short, clear summaries work best. When you're ready, ask Grok to plan your week. You can type something like, "Plan my week with these tasks," or "Create a weekly schedule for my tasks and goals." Natural language works great here, so feel free to mention your time zone, working hours, or other constraints. Grok will turn your list into a structured plan with suggested days and time blocks. Review the weekly plan carefully. Check that all priorities are included, deadlines are correctly placed, and the workload feels balanced. Make sure there's enough time between commitments for travel, breaks, and deep work. If something's missing or the timing feels off, that's normal. This is your chance to tune it. Refine if needed by sending another prompt. You can say, "Move the report to Thursday morning." Add a 30-minute buffer before each meeting. Swap these tasks. Or prioritize anything due before Friday. Ask for specific time slots. Reorder tasks by urgency, or adjust the pacing for a lighter or heavier day. Iterate until the schedule fits your week perfectly. That's how you can quickly plan your week using Grok AI. Thanks for watching.